Here is a really good example of why you want to grind out your stumps. Now I'm at my neighbour's place, and when I moved in next door 14 years ago, this was already a stump. So could have been cut down 14, 15, 20 years ago for all I know. And it's been sitting out in the weather, which means it gets the water on the top of the stump, but it also gets sunshine so it dries out. The top couple of inches or 5 centimetres has some rot through it, and that's actually grinding away quite easily. But underneath, we've got this hard wood. So 15, 16 years later, we've still got a hard stump that Jason's wife keeps running over in the car, and this is a good reason why we want to grind that out. This would be here for another 25 years or more if we hadn't. So we'll keep grinding away. We're going to grind this just below the surface. Jason will just put dirt over top, and it will actually then rot out quite quickly. Within a couple of years, it'll all be disintegrated. But that's the power of covering it with dirt. All you've got to do is put it that far underground and it will rot away nicely. And if he does want to plant, you can plant just next to it where plant can go through and throw down its own roots. You do not need to stump this all the way down into the ground.